Alright, I should get started. Welcome back to the video game development stream. Let's see, I'm gonna lower this a little bit more even. On your end, and then on my end. Probably about there. That seems okay. Oh, I guess the big thing, I've just realized, that would make the music quieter on your end. Well, no. If my voice is louder on my end, because it's my voice, yeah, that'd be the opposite. Okay. I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, before we get into the game, I want to get into some fun stuff, showing off other things that I've been doing. So let's go to this button. I should get my chat stuff. But okay, so I've talked about this algo compiler for a while, but here's an example. So I finally added basic array support, at least for very simple arrays. So like global single-dimensional arrays, we can now step through them, and like this one's going to just have an array from 1 up to 100 like squares. So yeah, look at that. And I can even have like I can have 2 arrays. B. So B, let's do like a begin here. B I will equal I. Let's do like I divided by 2. And then we'll have like A plus BI. And because this is an integer, it'll be like, you know, not 0.5s. Yeah, then it goes 2, 5, 11. Basically just adding the half the index and the squares. Incredible. Revolutionary technology. But that's just one of the things. One of the mere things I've done. And I'll show the other one. So let's see if I even have it up still. Yeah, this was something that I just got working today. Well, I think I've showed off a very simple version of it before. But if I do dub run... This example is going to be very simple, because right now, it just makes a window, and if I press space, we can see this here, where there's a little counter. Alright, check this out. Turn that front upside down. I now have the ability to recompile code, and then seamlessly unload it, compile it, and then reload it, and maintain state, all from within, like, one application. You know, Visual Studio, edit and continue, eat your heart out. Well, admittedly, I'd still love the ability to have a similar capability of, like, actually, like, putting breakpoints and stuff. Because my real dream is to have something, like, unfinished. Like, I just put, like, unfinished here. And then anytime an unfinished is called, it like stops the program and goes to this code and is like, okay, finish it now. Like, where I can like see what the state of the program is, and then I can write against that and even do things like, things I'd really love are like the ability to like go back a step if I write something wrong and run it, and it's like, oh wait, no, that doesn't do what I want it to do. You know, so. And let's actually do times gs.counter. So this should now do a square. Beautiful. Incredible. Revolutionary technology here. It's a buggy implementation of half of common Lisp, as they say. Because, as I've made famous before, I'm a dynamic types hater, and that's the only reason I'm not using Lisp for that project. But okay, enough of that. We're not here to talk about things that aren't the video game. We're here to make history by making a video game. I just wrote the word git. I didn't even do anything. Okay, let's see where all my stuff is. So I want this, I want this here. I'm fiddling with like 3 different things at this time. I need my little bingo card. Alright, so that... Shuffle that. I did start greater than 20 minutes late. Yeah, that's a good one. Talk about future projects. I even showed them. And actually, I did do off-stream work, so proud to say I actually recorded an entire video off-stream. And it made me realize... Oh, wait. Spoiler. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I did a playtest and I was narrating off-stream. Let's see, I'm going to lower the volume of this a little bit more. Because also, I'm pretty sure it'd probably, like, get copyright claimed. But okay. Oh well. Now, what I want to do, probably more first-pass stuff. So, playtest and air gap filling. Activate the medium, old feeling. I guess I kind of did these two. Did I? Hang on, did I accidentally mix up how these spoiler things work? Oh, I see. I accidentally added spoilers to things that don't need to be spoiled. Ultimately, okay, yeah. Because yeah, I actually did a lot of playtesting and narration off stream. Oh wait, is this? Oh yeah, gamer algal was my idea for the language. But I'm just going to use D, because writing my own programming language is guaranteed infinite black hole of all my time and money and motivation and energy. For marginal gains, for like extremely small gains, potentially, hypothetically. Dialogue. Okay. That's where it is. Intro, Armstrong. So yeah, I did a bunch of stuff here, and I did a bunch of stuff here. Let's go to where am I? Because I was intending to playtest the entire game over the weekend, and I played so much, and I only got through like 2 quests. In fact, barely even that. I activated the medium, which barely counts as a quest. And then I did the old feeling quest, where you just walk up to the plateau. And that one is already mostly... Well, I mean, it's one of the more finished quests. Also, the game's on this other monitor here. Oh, right. That bug. I had to cough. Yeah, there's a bug where the phone keeps ringing. And also... Oh, wait, is this... Why is the thing? Oh, wait. Right. This was the problem that made me rage quit last time. In my invisible secret VOD. Because I did actually record a full, like, 3-hour VOD yesterday. I just didn't upload it. Or didn't stream it. Okay. Like a complete buffoon, like an absolute nincompoop, instead of cutting, or instead of like copying and pasting the code, I cut and pasted the code for the phone. So if we go up to the cell phone, it has this switch to. I had cut this from the phone and then put it here and then made it not work. So actually what I should probably do is just have... This is going to be a phone node now. And the payphone is going to have phone node. And then this is going to be a phone node. And then, what should we do then? Payphone, visual name friendly ID. We don't need this now. And we don't need this either. Because we can just do function init. Payphone equals true. Man, we don't even need dialog F. Okay, we need this one to be a spatial, though. I guess we could just... No, I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Okay. Put that back. Let's go to GitHub. Because I'm also too dumb to figure out how, like, what commit I did to remove all of this. So let's go to entities, environment, city, phone. Hang on, let's go back to that payphone commit, cell phone commit. Like, why did I delete code from this? Where is it? Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? What was I smoking? Why was I smoking it? Okay. Now, this should work. Oh, right. The, let's see, do I have start in the wrong monitor? Okay. Options, display, windowed. Drag it over here. Full screen. Okay. Then we have all that cool stuff, and then we have all this stuff. And then... I wonder... Actually, let's save... Or let's do... Yeah, let's save here. First of all... What are our errors here? Well, this seems fine. Well... Class DB cannot get class sequence. I don't get it. But okay, that's not what we're testing anyway. That was just to fix the other thing. Wait. What did I change? It adds entities, city, environment, city, payphone. Was I smoking? And then reset this, because I almost introduced another bug. Okay. Right, what was even my goal with that? Right. I was coming over here because if we go to my journal, where the fuck is... Get the bingo card. Capture broke. We can see, so if I do exclusive full screen, then it works because it's fucking psychotic. And then if I restart, it's not gonna work. And it's like, I don't understand what it means. Yeah, because the capture is broken on your side now. But you can see the mouse, and I can't see the mouse. So now it works. Again. Because I just needed to go to the journal. Letter delivery. Natya gave me a poem and she asked me to call Yomi on a payphone and read it to her. So now what I can do is I can do a note. In fact, don't I have an item? Natya's poem. Okay. You recognize this woman gave you the letter. Hello again. I don't know if we ever exchanged... Oh yeah, also I'm going to read, by the way. But this is Jackie. I delivered your letter. Oh, marvelous. I assume Natya gave you my number? She did, yes. She also gave me a poem and asked me to read it to you over the phone for some reason. Ooh, I love her poetry. What does it say? Alright, I'll read it to you. The moonlight shines over barren walls, fingers tapping, a bird yet calls. Dove and sparrow meet again. In 7 nights the dark will end. How lovely. Dial tone. Hello? So yeah, not lighting the world on fire with that poetry, but oh well. Admittedly, it's also kind of... I don't know. It's fine. Yeah, so I did some adjustments, and Natya should be gone now. Yeah. So let's do letter delivery. Natya isn't where I last spoke to her. So, do you know where Natya went? The stranger? Stranger? Yeah, not from here. I think she lives up in the mountains. Do you know where exactly? She's not a goat herder, so I say the mountain lake. That seems like a bit of a trek from here. Yeah, because the player can just go to the map. So yeah, hopefully they're able to remember that they're here. And so this is all the way up here. That's why there aren't many towns that way. So now the player has a mysterious disappearance, and they should have Nachi apparently lives up in the mountains, probably at the mountain lake. Wait, didn't I... Hang on. If we do journal, the medium... Huh, I must have not done it. Hang on, I need to reset this. Because basically, I changed how this works yesterday, but I think I just didn't apply it. Where is letter delivery? Natya and Giomi. No, this isn't what I need. Natya. So we have now Natya questioning, which should... Okay, yeah. Now when she gives you the poem, it should go right up to that. Let's do that. So what I'm going to do first and foremost... I need to kind of speed run some of the game, though. Let's just do item, capacitor. Well, I guess I don't really need to. God, look at the frame rate in here. Jesus. I guess it was kind of because I was using Firefox. Or, like, had Firefox open on the other monitor. Oh yeah, and I found out why there was some weird dialogue bugs where, like, the collisions were disabled when you were in dialogue, so you just floated. It was specifically because of this chair. It was driving me insane. Because there was a bug that kept re-emerging where Jackie would sit, like, a foot in front of the chair. And it was because her collisions were enabled, so she was being pushed out of the chair. But now I just disable the collision when she sits on it, which is what I should have done from the very beginning. But oh well. I've done it now. Alright, all that stuff. Great. And then let's do, like, global get tree call group enemy kill. Beautiful. All right. Right. Now I can no clip here. Power walking. That's very powerful. Oh wait, you're the wrong guy. I need you to open this dang door for me. So let's do letter, like, 3 letter. I should have also made a save for. I should probably just make, like, a proper save UI. But okay, so then we do this. And we're in the dream. Beautiful, wonderful, who gives a shit? Take your time. That's on the bingo. I said it on purpose. That's my devious plan. It's not on the bingo card. Ah, well. Oh. And like I said, at some point I should put, like, positive things on the bingo as well. But okay. Cool stuff. Got that. Teleport to 67. Because now the player is... It's much harder to accidentally do things. Okay. Use an item. Wonderful. So what brought you to the medium? This. Okay, and then that. So that gives you... So yeah, now all of this dialogue can be done immediately. Because that's there. And then what happens here? Oh yeah, okay. What if I just get a cell phone? What if I just do that? Okay, all that stuff again. Hello? And then we can go, because we just called her on the cell phone right here, we can just talk to her here. So did you need anything before I go? Yeah. Not just leave the city. Yomi's phone. I tried to read your poem to Yomi, but it seems her phone cut out. So did it cut out before she heard all of it? I read the whole poem. She said lovely or something to that effect and then disconnected. Oh, that sounds fine, as long as she heard it. Are you sure? She's not one for goodbyes. Trust me, Jackie, Yomi's fine. That's all for now, I think. Take care then. Remember to come visit up by the lake. Okay, and then we can go to 57, I think. Or is it 50? Yeah, I think it's 57. Oh, 057. Oh, wait. That's the only time ever that I've done a string number instead of just a number. Oh, right. One of the things on the first pass was to make this area, like, navigable. Okay, because once the player gets to here, there should be people who can, like, help you figure out where Natya is. So let's do that. And let's also fix the collisions on this thing. Let's just spruce up this town a little bit. Yeah, let's save here. Because admittedly, that whole trek is very, very long. And very harsh. So let's go to Blender. What is this building? Buildings -4. So yeah, I'm thinking for this, so if this is the first pass stuff, let's say, yeah, I'll just do whatever I want. Whatever I think will make the game feel correct. Or like up to, as I've mentioned before, a consistent level of quality. Make Natya instantly disappear after talking about the medium. I don't really need that. Model Natya's coat. So I kind of want all of these. Let's put all this here. So like, or I guess I can just put it into letter delivery. Guy that shoots you if you touch the switch, that'd be okay. So we have this. NPCs you follow, NPCs button, better sleep UI. Different colors for different characters. Oh yeah, different dialogue colors. Okay, I want to get 57. I want to add a bevel modifier to this whole thing. So let's see, so is this... So first of all, this shouldn't all be the same stuff. Like, I can just make, like... I can make this part. Let's grab... I'll say... When do these, like, stop being attached? Wait, hang on. Why is this, like... There's something weird here. No, I guess that's fine. Wait, why is this still attached? Oh wait, no it isn't. I'm just stupid. Right, because it does this. And then this part. Okay, I see. This doesn't need to be here, though. I don't think. Yeah. It should simply be good. Okay, because does this... Still connected. I see, more of this garbage. Hide that. The hell's this crap? What is this crap, actually? Oh, wait, no, that should go all the way down there. What is this? There's so much, like... Like, why is this even connected to this? This should just be its own thing. And look at this. It's just complete pandemonium in here. How did I survive in this horrible world that I've created? Because this at least kind of like... I guess that kind of does what it sets out to do. Oh, and I see. Look at this. Absolutely, utterly deranged. I did not know the faintest... I did not know the first thing about modeling. Which is, like... I don't know. Don't make completely unrelated geometry attached to each other. Like, I don't need every single building in this entire... Yuck. Admittedly, this isn't even really the, like, important part, but I just, like, what can I say? Executive dysfunction. In fact, that's on the bingo card. Yeah, like this part, I got the right idea, which is to delete geometry that doesn't exist. And then on this side, it's just like, God knows what I was thinking. Hmm. Does this need to go down? I guess that is fine. Okay, let's see about, like, I don't need this really for any reason. Other than, well, music? Are you still here with us? No, okay. So it just YouTube just isn't functioning. But oh well, I'll put that on the music dies. You guys need a bingo someday. Music's very quiet. Okay, yeah. That's a bit louder. Yeah, let's keep it there. That's fine. It's like, how do I set this up in a way that's not stupid? Actually, dissolve edges here. Then where do I need these? There we go. Ta-da! And that now means... Oh, that's fine. So let's do by loose parts. So yeah, like, why did I make everything here the same building? Oops. Hmm. think this is probably... This is a bit more intense than I thought it was. Well, I'll live with it. I'll give it a chance. Okay. This here. Yeah, like, why did I make all these buildings attached here? Okay, now let's get all of this stuff. And, like, clean up, like, the piles of garbage in here. Like, what on earth was I doing? Was I, like, fucking 13 years old when I made this? Was I learning Blender for the first time? Right. Yeah, that's fine. My good lord, the bottom of all of these paths are visible. I'm pretty sure these aren't even, like, possible to see. Well, in some of them they are. Okay. Let's go through each of these. Oh, and why is the dam attached here? Like, obviously I can just make separate meshes past me. Like, okay, so let's go through all the towns and let's do center of mass volume. I think center of mass surface tends to work better. That's slightly different. Why are all of these here? Okay, back to deleting this garbage. Like, some of this I can understand. But the rest of this, it's like ridiculous. Yeah, this should also be not this. What the hell did I do? Okay, for some of these, let's do... that. Yeah, that's fine enough. Okay, good. And here, there's, again, no reason for this to all be, like, nothing should have, like, none of these need to have the bottoms here. I guess this does need to be there, but okay. Let's try, like, beveling this. Does this work? I don't think it does. No, I guess because... Well, what would I need to do to make it work? I'd need to separate like these, I think. And all the other places where there's like infinite intersections. Now I'll just leave that as it is. Let's have a bunch of these. Let's figure out what I want to do with these now. So buildings 4. Collision. What? Oh, I see. No, I don't see, actually. Wait, what? What does this mean? Oh, wait, I know. It's because... Well, why did I set it up this way? What I'm going to do is I'm going to do lake, and then let's add a collision, or let's, How do I duplicate a thing? Oh, Shift D, right. This is going to be lake call only. Or I guess just like that, because basically Godot does not import convex colliders in a very good way. But okay. Basically, this will allow me to create the mesh interior. Godot. BZ. There you go. Okay. So let's start making some bevel modifiers. Actually, let's do auto smooth, because we're gonna do that for most of these. So how big can I make these? Yeah, that seems fine. Okay. Let's add bevels to all of these. And let's make all of these auto smooth first off. I don't think this is going to work on all of these. Yeah, I gotta do them one by one. Wrong thing. And I probably could do with 2 bevel modifiers on all of these. Oh wait, why is this bridge here? Like, this doesn't really need to be... So this is, what is this? Town, Bridge, Collider, and this will be moved up to the active entities. What the heck's this thing? Oh. Oh, okay, I see. These rocks are, like, not visible at all. And I mean, admittedly, this river is horribly designed. It looks terrible. Alright. Let's just go through all of our things. Bevel all of them. Sadly, not this one. Alright, so if I did this... Okay, so that works for all of these. And then if I did, like, 0.4... Okay. And now, I could go through... Yeah, I'll try going through and basically adding, how would I do that? Oh, wait. There's something... Oh, wait, no. Okay, that's fine. I thought there's something, like, horribly wrong with how this was set up. But there's, like, a bunch of overlapping polygons or something. Okay, let's just split these off. Distance. Okay, because now what I can do actually is I can remove a lot of this complexity. Why did I say... Ah, well. So yeah, now instead... Beautiful. Solve edges. Good enough, honestly. Though actually, I can completely remove this one. And honestly, just most of this in general. Oh wait, what the heck is this? Oh, I see. And also, we can just remove this whole segment here. Oh, I remember why I didn't do that. Well, I fucked this up. No, I see what I can do. Okay, so the vast majority of this is completely unnecessary. And I'm pretty sure this entire thing now is unnecessary. There we go. Let's do this same thing here. I can just, what can I do? None of this is really necessary, but oh well, I'll do it anyway. Oh wait, this one should have a lot less bevel. Admittedly, this whole place... I'll leave it as it is. This whole place is good enough for now. What I really need is a way up to this from here. So what I could do is we could have some scattershot houses in here. Because the whole point's going to be... Yeah, what do I want up here? Let's see, do I have... I do have my tablet. Like, what was this town known for? I guess it would just be the water. Let's go to, like, translate. Okay. This would be kind of lame. Oh, it's ZC. Not exactly promising. Chiceberry. So, cities of Georgia country. I want to see what the naming convention is. Okay, so they almost all end in I's. Or I guess more accurately, they almost all end in vowels. In fact, this is the only one that doesn't, and that's because Athon or Afon. I've never seen this letter in my life. And I still don't really know any Georgian, like, alphabet off the top of my head. I mean, this would work. Chiceberry. Yeah, you know what? It's Chiceberry. Is this Bad Apple very sped up? Oh yeah. It is. It's the song is Bad Apple with 2 exclamation points. Okay. Okay. Lake, mountain lake. So we're just gonna call this Chiceberry. Insert name of town here, and up to Chiceberry. And lake. Up at Chiceberry, we're not. You can meet me up at Chiceberry. Well, maybe I should name it something a little different. Ah, well. Should double check that these are... Yeah. It's up in the mountains in a village called... Probably at the mountain lake of Sperry. So I say... There's quotes. Why not? Alright. So, mountain... Can visit me up at Chicebury. Need to leave for Chicebury. You can come meet me up. I need to leave for the... Let's just say I need to head up the mountain. On urgent business. How about this? I'll tell you what I can now, and you can meet me up at Chicebury, and I'll go into anything you want. Okay, and that gives the player a lot of stuff. Why is Natya medium here? I could just have Natya slash... Well, I guess that's fine. So I always have trouble with those yeah, that's fine. Okay. So, in the mountain, south the mountain, north the mountain on urgent business. I'll have to meet her at Chicebury for more details. Alright. There we go. Okay. What do I want here? So we could have something cool, something awesome. Maybe like a little ancient structure here. Like that, and then it like does something like, does one of these numbers. And then it goes, who knows? Maybe there's also just some more rocks jutting out here. Like we can just have those do stuff. Yeah, because I haven't had many like gigantic rocks. We could just do that and add a little bit more texture that way. Then I'd say I kind of want to go up this way. So like we have some rocks that like squeeze around the river. Because admittedly, the river also looks like garbage right now, but if we make it look cool, that would be good. Okay, but that is going to be my vague sketch. Just put some rocks. Let's have this on the fridge on the other monitor here. I'll just completely consume the other monitor so I can't even see anything else. No, I need the chat at least. How will I know that my adoring fans are admiring me properly if I don't have them? Okay. Cylinder. This will be like 8. So let's do... probably like... smooth. And then subdivide. Or maybe like a bevel first. And then we'll have like the angle be like 60. So, what would I actually want? Yeah, I guess I'll do... yeah, that's fine enough. Because what I'm gonna do... why is this even, like, here? Like, what am I doing with this? I could literally just move this out a little bit more. And then we eliminate basically half of this crap. I want this all to be also separate from this. I'm glad I stuck with this album. I quite like it. Grid fill? Can I? No, I can't do that. Okay. Oh, wait. Blue sparks. There we go. And then we can have this little bridge here. This will be like big rock 1. Bridge, collider. So this will be like bridge 2. Yeah, that's good. Because now we'll have to figure out how to deal with this big old rock here. In fact, I'd like it to be... is this chunky enough or like weird enough? So I want it to not feel like it's just like a, you know, a cylinder that I've grabbed. What if we subdivided it and then decimated it? You know what I'm putting up down? I think that would do something. Oh wait, why is this here? So let's do these three should all center or origin to center of mass volume. I prefer surface still. Let's see, this is going to be a weight modifier. Should be. Oh wait, no. There we go. Let's have it like that. That looks okay. I guess this one will have the same fate. And then it'll have another bevel. Look at how much more geometric complexity I'm capable of delivering in this day and age. Wait, why is this? Hang on, what is this? There's like a thing in here. What is this? Because it's not a thing I can select. If I hide that, what am I looking at here? Just delete that thing. There we go. And then here, also beveled, 0.2. We'll do that. And then here, how are we going to rectify this? I'm thinking the best thing to do I'm gonna put this here. There we go. Let's add a mesh here. Cylinder. I kind of do actually want this to be. Yeah, let's do that again. But this time 16, a whopping 16. Take your time. Okay, auto smooth. Because then with this, we'll do harden normals. There we go. Now we can see how am I going to rotate this so that it like matches like the axes. What if I add a cube? There's a very, like, machine girl sound to this one. I like it. There we go. And I can do that, and I can do that. We could do something like this. It's a little bit more reasonable. That's fine. This should not be 9 meters. And this one, maybe like 0.1 here. And we'll do like 45. Oh. There we go. There we go. Now we have all sorts of wonderful pieces here. And let's put another rock. Because I'm thinking also I could put... So I have this beautiful, wonderful, whatever this the hell this thing is. And wasn't this supposed to be like a rock? Alright, let's do like... I guess a curve here. Where's my mythical golden spiral? Hang on. I need to find that. That was in like concept art, environment. No. Oh yeah, environment, copper crown. It wasn't. I'm looking in here for like the spiral that I made. Because it should be somewhere in environment, I think. Gulch? No. I mean, I guess I could try different... Well, no, I want it to be based on the same style. Ah, well, whatever. I'll just go to graph calculator. Video game, please. Wait. Do I have it in here? There we go. It's not quite the usual place where I use it, because usually I say video game when like a program's being slow. But okay, so the only things... A really hard debug bug was a small typo and the debugger broke. So I could do some bug fixing, but I'm not going to. Let's do... logarithmic spiral. Because it was basically like the formula for a golden spiral, except with the square root of 2 instead of that. Okay, so a logarithmic spiral with the polar equation r equals... So yeah, let's go to golden spiral formula. Because I know there's some like weird like there's like a very weird subset of the formula that's used for it typically. In fact, let's just look up golden. Yeah, like for some reason it's 2, like the ratio to the power of 2 phi divided by pi, or 2 theta divided by pi. So let's do r equals square root 2 to the power of 2 times theta. Hang on, this is not quite right. 2 theta divided by pi. Okay, so we can also double check this with phi. Can't combine. Oh wait, because we don't have phi as a Well, it's like 1.6. Yeah. Here's the mythical golden spiral. And we're doing basically a slightly more aggressive spiral, I guess. So yeah, that... I guess I'll just put this back in here. So let's do concept art. Concept art, environment, new folder, design elements. So this will be proper spiral. And the reason I want that is so that then I can just drag it in here. Because I'm going to use it to influence all of these things. Let's do that. Let's do... How would I do it here? Image, reference, concept art. Oh, I guess I probably put it in the assets folder. Actually, I'm going to double check there. So if we go to environment, copper, aha. I did put it somewhere. I remembered to. I just didn't remember where. So what did I want with this? I wanted like, I don't really know. I'm just gonna try modeling with this. Okay, that seems good. So now I want sort of the opposite. I want it to like swoop the other way now. So let's go top down. They should have put H and G further apart. In fact, why is it G for translation? Well, then again, Blender always has, like, literally every combination of keys has a key right next to it that will, like, fuck up whatever you're doing. As I've repeatedly complained about before. Okay. So these all go into reference. And the hidden. Actually, I don't really need that there. I can just do like that. Trying to get this to be like... There we go. Kind of. Okay. So now we have a little thing. Oh wait, I guess we'll just grab this whole thing. I want to extrude this inward, I think. I can do that. Well, that'd kind of suck. Well, would that even really match the style? Let's just have that, and then I'm gonna do some more of those references. So this is going to be copper stilts collision. What the heck is this? Oh. Roundabout collision. And also, I think this, well, no. I'll keep that there. In fact, I should probably reserve this specifically for scripts. And things that are like just really close to the player, because I'll have eventually some system for also loading sub-chunks. I want to do the same thing that I did for the other areas, where I like have an extra bevel modifier here. Like that. And then we can do a bevel on top of that. Auto smooth. Harden those. This will be like 60. 90. Okay, I see. I didn't realize that the auto smooth still applies its stuff. But that makes sense, I guess. So yeah, like these don't need to be connected. A lot of these buildings, I could just have two separate buildings. I mean, maybe it's nice to merge them all together into one mesh for draw calls. I guess I could look into that, but I could just merge them in Godot programmatically if I want to. But okay, this will be auto smooth, and it'll also have a bevel, but it'll be like 0.2. Well, I guess 0.1 is good. And here as well. There we go. I guess this doesn't really match the vibe of the other ones. Oh well. Whatever. I'm fiddling with this too much. This here is fine like that. Eventually, actually, let's just put some, like, for the general idea of it. Boom. Eventually, there'll be actual proper rocks here. So we'll shade this smooth, and then we'll also do the same thing where we subdivide it, and then we decimate it. Actually, I could do like a check or deselect. Check or deselect that. How is this not working the way that I want it to? Let's just delete that. Put another cylinder, do like 8 again. Then we'll do what I was doing before. Bevel, subdivide, decimate. Nope. Let's do like, I don't know, 5. And we'll do a smooth. Yeah, what did it look like in my beautiful drawing? Oh wait. This was more over here. Why does it keep going to... It's like... I keep... Ah, well, whatever. I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so there's a bunch of giant rocks. You can climb up to this thing, then you have to do something or other to get to over here. So I think it'll be like, give me another cool rock. In fact, let's do like a... not quite. Ah, I see what I can do. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see how this looks. So, let's get these rocks. Big rock. Oh, wait. These need to be collisions. Okay. Big rock 2 collider. Big rock 3 collider. What is this? Big rock 4. Okay. So now, that should work. Wait, look at that. It actually did something. Okay, let's get all of these as, Oh wait, no. Not all of these. Rock. What is this not called? Oh, it's called rocks. Okay, so this thing... Upper corrode would be better. Right, let's do, like, buildings. These will use bricks. Just to have a little bit of difference, because I'm going to use the brick and cobble for these ones. Okay, and these ones will also use the bricks material. And I think I'm going to ignore camera stuff for now. So let's do cobble. Also, let's double check how the feed is doing, or stream. Okay, that's doing okay. Because sometimes the chat will have like 5 welcome to the chat room messages at the same, or like one after the other. Oh yeah, no chat. As it helpfully put it in the wrong monitor, but oh well. Okay, so for this, I actually like to do Vicinity materials. Well, would I? Actually, I'll keep it as it is for now. So these ones. There we go. And I think these used to be all the same mesh. And they were unmerged during my spree here. But okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, I should probably not jump to my death right away. Well, some places have a little something missing. And yeah, the camera collisions, I'll add those back later. I don't want to do it right now. So I think for this, the player would have to have some way of gaining height. Which I guess could be the wave shot. It could be a stamina up, though, as well. So yeah, what if I just had item stamina up? Oh, I see. Okay. For some reason... Why did that happen? I think the camera... Wait, where is the camera? Is it at, like, 0, 0? Also, the music died. Computer. How many fucking things do I have open? Oh no, it's just because YouTube is too good still to just play the playlist. Wait, didn't I have a nonsense commit message earlier today? Hang on, this is important. Oh yeah, what was I smoking? I mean, it was sort of relevant, but I'll put it on here, because I want to. You know, I gotta give myself something in the world. But okay, let's put in bugs. Camera goes completely crazy when you, like, so I think camera resets to 0, 0, 0, I think, when you ground. And that completed. I've basically done nothing. I guess I'll put some more rocks. to town. Rock. So this, reasonable. This, I guess there's not really a place right now for anyone to, like, stand. So what if we did, like, a rock 13? Or, like that. Rock 12? Yeah, rock 12 is reasonable. Because that's tall enough that the player can stand on it to avoid the water. Like, we could have a lot of, like, rock 10s and 11s and 13s. I really also would love the ability to adjust the position of a thing and then continue placing objects where I was placing them before. Let's put this one like down here. So we'll have, like, you have to somehow climb up this way. Because it's like, look at how much crap is here. I mean, admittedly, in part it's just because I have too many things all at once. Or, like, too many things in this level of the hierarchy, and I should, like, have sub-objects. So yeah, eventually, gotta figure out where this river is actually going to be. Oh yeah, didn't I say that I was gonna cut more of, like, a gap between these two? Yeah, I should do that. Where's... there it is. So yeah, this will make this beatable. I'll say probably this much. And let's just have this come down like that. How am I gonna get this? I guess I'll do that. Still drives me insane that in some Blender projects, so if I press the knife mode, holding shift in this project makes it so that I bisect all these vertices, so that way you see the little green dot between each of the lines. But in some of them, I swear to God, you hold control. Like, the shortcut changes depending on the project. And, like, I didn't explicitly, like, set it, it's just different for some projects versus others. See, so what if I did grid fill? Yeah, that'd be a disaster. What if I do it now? There we go. And this maybe... I suppose that doesn't... Well, I can just chop this up a little bit, because this is sort of the lame looking part here. Oh wait, and also this is a pentagon. Yeah, that seems better. And here I see some weirdness. What is that actually? I guess that's just the normals here. I can do like a... Alright, I have to hold shift, and also I have to Alt-Z. Alt-Z. No, that's going to be a complete disaster. There we go. Are these... What is this actually? Why is this like so weird? What did I do? Oh, I see. No, I don't see. What? I'm trying to understand what even I'm looking at here. Like, what is this? What is this face here? How did I even put that there? Okay. Now that seems not correct still. I really, really, really wish there's a way to disable, like enable selecting through back faces. Because I'm doing it so, or I'm trying to do it so often. And it just doesn't work. It's just not allowed. It's just not in the cards. Okay, that kind of works. I think that gives the impression a bit better of what I'd want. Like the waterfall would go into here. Well, it doesn't really like... I guess it kind of makes sense. If I push this back a little bit more, it would make sense. Since like the water goes down into here, splashes into here, and then comes out around. And actually, while we're here, let's reapply all the modifiers and then save. And actually, stop that. In fact, don't even have Blender open or Godot open. Okay. Viewport viz. I guess, does this count as unplanned work? Because then the only thing that I'd have to have is the game locks the entire computer, which is possible. It typically happens when I'm editing terrain. But I shouldn't be incentivizing a bingo. Yeah, what I should do is I should make a bingo V2 that has good things on it that I want to do. Because I'm excited to get bingo, because it's content. even though the entire gist of the bingo was that it was bad. Okay, let's go to 57. Let's go this. So yeah, now we have an entirely new experience here. So let's try to make this like work with this. What could I do? I could do like that, but then that would cause the problem of like a lot of like there's very few times where you want water to be bulging like this, except for on these waterfalls. Man, let's delete these vertices for now. And these ones and these ones. Hang on. Okay, so this puts us down here, and then that makes this easier. So we can do that. And actually, if I just have that go there, and then we have this continue this way. And then I'm going to have this pop up a little bit. There we go. So basically now we have proper waterfall and another proper-ish waterfall. Kind of. I hate H. I hate the letter H so much. God damn it. It's driving me insane. Okay, so where do I put this? Like this? Because I want this waterfall to not look like garbage, even though it doesn't matter that much. So let's at least like... There we go. Let's make it so that it just works. Oh, I see. There we go. Okay. I wonder how this will work now, because I need to do UV editor. Yeah, because the way that this works is it's just this. Active quad. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that seems to work. Follow active quads. And we'll just put this one there. Okay. So now that should look better, and it should have a bit more pizzazz, or like, yeah, that just looks nicer. Alright, let's hide that. Okay, now back to Godot. Zero, 5, 7. Look at that. Now it well, eventually, so the next thing to do would be to add foam and spray and all that stuff. And make it all look good. Yeah, this certainly does look better, I'd say. Let's put another rock. We'll actually need quite a few more rocks. I'd say, well... right there. Maybe a collapsible rock right up here. Alright, let's put some more rocks down here as well. In fact, probably all of these little rocks should be in the active entities. Let's do that. So zone town, or active entities. Zone town. Spatial. Rocks. And then we can do rock. And then we can do that. Thank you, Godot. How possible is this? Like, can I even get up this thing? Maybe I should put a little rock bridge like I had put in the sketch. Take your time, game. You done? You done? Not yet? Not quite yet? Need a few more minutes to stutter it all out? I don't even understand what it's doing in that time, because it's not... I guess it could be the shader compilation, but it's supposed to happen asynchronously now. Because I know the async shading doesn't work for particles. Wow, this water is definitely not quite right. It's just not very well laid out. Oh yeah, I was gonna do this with a stamina up. But I keep mashing F8 instead of doing the save and quit. If the water were, like, sane, this would work pretty well. I should probably have some... I just need some better way of putting the water than, like, hand placing it. Or I just need to get better at hand placing it. I've been thinking of maybe removing the flags, but now that I'm looking at this, it'd be nice to have just, like, you know, just to plant a flag here and then keep going. Tragic. What if I just move that rock down slightly? Or put another rock in between here and there. Or, so I move this up a little bit. Or a little bit. And then move this around. So, oh wait, no, this is one of those fancy rocks that I put here myself. Let's put some other rocks. What other rocks do I have? I guess this will be like our... Nah, I don't need that here. 7. Yeah, let's put one of these little shark tooth things. But just like the edge of it mostly. So it'll be like you could get to here, then maybe get to here. I shouldn't be making platforming segment. Well, I guess I might as well. Oh wait, I got exactly to where I was supposed to be without even realizing it. So yeah, this would be effectively impossible without a stamina up. And then we need, yeah, because this, it looks a lot shallower than it is. It's like 5 meters deep. Well, no, like a full 2 meters or so. How would this look in here? Look kind of neat. Yeah, if we did that, I could put a bug in there. Then the player can jank through there. Jank up here. And then just, well, so it's theoretically possible now to get up here. And eventually I should probably just put a ladder. Oh. In fact, let's have that. So, unlockable ladder shortcut. But that'll be genuinely for the other part. So let's say model a town, finish the mountain town. Why are these both... Why are there 2 of them? So overarching plot, the medium. I have that. Makes your character info is no longer used. Mountain Valley. Other ways to discover Mount 2-1 up this way. Introduce the conflict via Nachi-Yomi. Stitch a new chunk into the terrain. Direct the player through the past to something cool from the village. Wasn't there something like playable? Like, I could have sworn I put here, away up to Nachi-Yomi's house. Okay, that's done. So yeah, we have a minor cosmetic improvement to the town. We have some more visual interest up here as well. I could do even with some more rocks as well. Like, we could just have, like, nicer visuals. Oh. Let's have that? Yeah, that's okay, I guess. Okay, because I want some more rocks in here, and that'd make this easier, which, honestly, perfectly welcome by me. I'll just throw some rock ones in here. Yeah, I'll put one of these. So this goes like... What if this just goes like that? That'd be neat. Oh wait, this is a child of that. Hang on. That'd be awkward. Because these rocks are, like, mobile. Okay, let's remove this now. So yeah, I want it to be cool looking from this angle. Rock 5 would be pretty cool, yeah. Because, yeah, and this would make it a lot... Yeah. I think I should focus on just making it have a nice level of detail. Because I think I get too worried about making it challenging, and then it's just sparse, so it's really ugly. And it's too hard, because it's so sparse. You know, because, like, I try to figure out, like, the exact correct way to do things. And it's like, it doesn't matter. Like, it's much more important that the player can, like, figure out a way up, rather than that they have to figure out the one exact way up. I mean, that was the entire reason I cut the levels in the first place. So let's just get some nice little rocks in here. Maybe another one of these? It could be like this. Yeah, that's good enough. And then here could be a tricky part. Maybe. Or maybe I'll just make it easier. And then let's put like a rock 6 down in here. Or something like this. And then 12, something. Ten. And eventually, more rocks under the water would be good. That doesn't feel believable. Which one? Okay, big ol' spike. Let's put this... just out of reach. Or... yeah, that's fine. I think this is better if I design primarily for aesthetics, because then it winds up being something that the player's like, ooh, can I climb that? That looks like it's a thing that's cool, and also a thing that's meant to be climbed. I wonder... oh yeah, I could put a little bug down here. I have no idea how you'd get out, but I can put it there anyway, fuck over the player. No, I should put a little, like, rock. Let's put, like, a rock 9 right there. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, I just realized I actually blocked off my main way up here. I guess this is okay. This is a tricky jump still. And this jump here. Okay. Yeah, this feels a lot less frustrating. And a lot more like, ooh, there's a little thing, there's a little treat for me. You know, up along this path. Okay, so now it's a neat little thing. And I think if I put any effort whatsoever into making that look good, it'll look pretty good. I can even do some more stuff with the side of this rock here. Well, I guess that's, you know, that's Fantasyland, kind of. What is that? Hang on. What is that? Oh, it's a rock. Okay. Well, why is there a rock over there? Must be just one of my rocks. Isn't where it's supposed to be. Yep. Okay. I don't know which one it was, but now they're all okay. Yeah, it's because for some reason Godot defaulted to, for the hot reloading stuff, it defaulted to using the global transforms, even though, like, you edit the local transforms, and when you put an object in the scene, you know, its children are going to be, you know, local transforms relative to their parent. Oh, that way was easier. Huh. So, this does feel like it kind of requires the extra stamina, which I guess, I mean, on the one hand, I do think there should be, like, areas that are harder than others, but I don't like having an implicit, like, blocker like that. You know, because the player might just try it and have a really hard time and then not have fun. Also, it's eating my, There we go. Hell yeah. All you have to do is dive hundreds of feet off of a cliff and slam headfirst into a rock to get that bug. Yeah, this place is actually, like, this is a fun area now. Like, I think focusing on the aesthetics of it is really the answer. Because it doesn't look amazing, but it does look significantly better than when I was trying to make it like a platforming segment. And that'll be neat. I don't know what it'll be there, but it'll be interesting. The roll jump is subtly off. I'll just put that in here. Like, roll jump sometimes doesn't feel like it's correct. Don't I have movement in here? Let's go to... My work is never finished with that. Well, I guess I don't need it to be... Like, the entire point of this was that I can do, like, this. There we go. So there's bugs. Man, millions of things. Okay. Roll, jump, did not feel quite right. Particularly near ledges or slopes. Probably need some buffering. Basically, we need, so like, well, there's already a system in place where it's, because it's supposed to be that if you roll off the ledge, there's like a 1/10 of a second where you can still do that. God, that camera is bothering me. I mean, I guess I can fix it. Let's just do it. Wait, let's say... this. Updated... routes up to the town, or up to Natya and Yomi, renamed the town. Jeez Louise. Okay. Oh wait. There we go. Oh wait, did I not do... Huh, I haven't updated this in a long time then. Let's just do git commit m young mum or teen mum new routes to Natya and Yo. Take your time. Did I say, like, good enough? I guess I haven't 3 times. Alright. Okay. Yeah, by Jove, I think this is I think it's better looking and better playing. And then the next step will be to put, I guess I should put people here. Oh, well, I'll figure this out as well. Wow, these buildings are, like, fucked up. And these ones, too. Like, why did I leave this gap here? Like, what was my plan with this? And you can't even get up this without jumping. Well, you can, actually. Okay, so that's fine. See, when did I start? Like 6:20? I mean, I should also probably put a guy. Yeah, let's do that as the last thing today. I'll just put a little guy somewhere in here. So we need an NPC somewhere. Well, let's just put a few NPCs as well. Is like the video game gonna like fucking function? I press F and it doesn't do the thing. Oh well. Now he's just getting angry about it. Okay, so I want to do some doors. Let's add another spatial. This will be like city detail. Major thing will be NPCs. Oh yeah, and eventually, I should put this in the thing as well. By default, NPCs should not speak English. So let's just put that. NPCs should not speak English by default. Admittedly, I shouldn't be... A lot of this stuff is stuff that I shouldn't be doing at the moment. Or I should have been doing it during the quest's, like, schedule, but... I don't know. I'll just do it. I still... Ah, well. It's fine. Okay, so there's gonna be guys here and guys here. Do I need this out here? I'm gonna remove that. It has no function. And it looks hideous. Wait, also, while we're here, let's fix some of the little bits. This one. Wow. And to think, all I need to do is slightly push it in. Wasn't there some other place that had issues? I can't think of it. That's probably fine. What is this? Oh, right. This is the lake inverse thing, because there's, the water should be somewhere here. Ah, here it is. Right, and this was made from those colliders. It's basically, well, yeah. Why did I name it water or lake underscore inv? Or dash inv? I have no idea what I was thinking with that. But okay. We're going to have all of these NPCs have a thing. Hello. Or you, hello. Let's do like... I'll just do like, they nod back. And then notes, Natia, yeah, and Yomi. Oh, wait, no, let's do, okay, note Natia. I'm for Natia. So this is like, what's the name of this town? Notes, so like, plus. Oh, I don't use the plus properly anywhere else. Yeah, all of these are supposed to have this. But oh well. Iceberry. Let's just say I was told she lived here. And let's do that if we have global.stats /chat or global stat slash, let's go to the village guy, not just /Chisbury. Okay, so I'm looking for Natia. I was told she lived here. Natia? Alright, let's shuffle this, play one. Probably not that one. Brilliant, YouTube. Playing the last song on my playlist again in the shuffle, and then if I press next, it's going to take me off the playlist, of course, because God forbid that I press the shuffle and loop buttons on the playlist and then want to shuffle and loop the playlist when I press the next button. Okay, there we go. Okay. So this is Chisbury NPC.dialog. And then also we need like the coat dialog by default. Eventually I should just... Well, how do I do this? I need to just hang on. Where are all of my NPCs that have coat dialogue? Because I know it's different than if it's just the standalone file. I need to get that, and I need to put it somewhere where I can remember it. Dialogue, coat.dialogue. So this is like template codes. Because this isn't quite the same thing as the other one. Okay. She... And then back. Lives up there. They point up the waterfall to a hut. They nod. Okay, notes, Natia / waterfall. Natia, letter, delivery, Chisbury. Okay. So now, I should be able to just talk to these NPCs. Oh wait, no. None of them have this dialogue yet. Now they do. And I'll even put doors and windows someday. But I guess, yeah, that's still one of those things that's just obvious. Okay, I'm gonna lower the volume on this a little bit. And for bingo's sake, let's consider that complaining about my playlist. Well, I did complain about YouTube handling my playlist, but that's okay. Wait, hang on. Okay, so now we can go to these NPCs. And we can talk to all of them. Here's an item. Letter delivery. Looking for Nacha. I was told she lived up here. I should probably not have the they nod twice. Yes. This might seem this is gonna sound a bit insulting because the saxophone, the way that saxophonists make it kind of scream at times, reminds me of there was this YouTube channel that used to do extremely bad covers of popular songs on recorder, but as they made more videos, they got like their technique developed to the point where they could make the recorder make like unbelievable sounds. Like it was like they were a master jazz or like master saxophonist in because they could make the recorder scream. Just it sounded a lot more like an actual dying animal than it does here. Like it was outrageous what they could do with the recorder. It was so funny. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I found out what was happening to make. Oh wait, no. You guys weren't here for it. I was hearing like saws yesterday, and it turns out they're just completely tearing out an apartment below me, which makes sense because like they were literally like the sink was outside, and like all of the drywall and all the flooring was torn up. So yeah, they're really tearing that place up. But okay, I think that means that now a lot of these things are done. Admittedly, important parts still aren't, but I kind of, well, I mean, it's 9:30, and I wanted to just kind of have an easy day. You know, I'm going to do another off-stream recording tomorrow, I think, and that's going to be a lot more of the playtesting and story stuff. But yeah. I'm happy with this. I somehow... I don't know why I paused with this still in focus, or unpaused with this still in focus. Okay, let's see if I can even figure out, with my big, huge brain, where, like, any of these are. So, NPC, somebody you knew your mom, other ways to discover Nacho went up this way. I guess that would make sense. I mean, it's a little better. Who tells us where Nacho lives? Everybody does. Have the waterfall erode a gap between the house and the rest of the waterfall? Hell yeah. Rename the foothills, that'd be good. In fact, rename. Okay. That all seems good. So let's save and quit. Status. New dialogue directing you to Natya. coolio. Okay, so I'm going to be back Wednesday. Oh yeah, I don't even need this anymore. I'm not going to do much spoiler stuff on stream. Because yeah, I'm going to do... Oh. I pressed Control Z on my PowerShell. I did not even know that it could make that sound. If you heard that, like, hardware beep. But okie dokie. That all is good. I'll be back Wednesday. See you then.